anyone can make a meme coin that launches, but what's almost impossible is to give a meme coin real value over time. So the DOGFAI team scheduled a call with me at jerrybanfield.com, and we're making this video together because they're doing this right now. They're working on, they launched a coin and they're working on giving it real value over time and not just being, a quick here today, gone tomorrow project. So I would like to invite the DogFi team to share, like, how do you see that you can give a coin real value over time instead of, one pump and done coin that people have forgotten about? Like, what are your plans to make your coin something people actually use and want to accumulate versus, just gamble and trade and speculate with?
Yeah, thank you, Jerry. So, yeah, one of the most important aspects of any successful project, no matter it's meme or altcoin or any other project, is its long-term vision and sustainability. So, at DogFi, we are committed to building a project that thrives over time, providing lasting value and growth for our project, community, and all the stakeholders. We have developed a robust business model and a sustainable long-term project plan to ensure consistent growth and value creation. So at DogFi, we deliver top-notch services, and we have our catalog of our product catalogs and services. So we keen to collaborate with other projects in crypto space, which designed to help businesses grow and thrive by taking on ownership of the development aspects. We empower business owner or project owner to focus on just strategic planning and achieving their goals. In our service catalog, we are looking for collaboration, and we aim to offer DOGFAI services to enterprises while collaborating with other projects to strengthen our business model and ecosystem. So what we going to achieve with our services and product offering to different enterprises and projects. So the portion of our earning will be strategically allocated to DOGFI liquidity for development and marketing. So it will help us to ensure sustained and continuous innovation and project growth. So yeah, thank you.
Does your coworker have anything to add?
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Jerry. For us, so the reason why we have chosen a DOGFI with utility is basically most of the meme coin, as you mentioned, that they are just pump and dump kind of mindset people comes up with. Whereas the way if we see ourselves in the same way the Definity is, that many people are like talking about, okay, Definity is not spending money on marketing and everything, but the thing is that any serious project, like any serious blockchain, I would say, they need to build products, and before even they can market it, um, um, and for that, obviously, people need to wait. So, for instance, if I take the big example of ICP and Definity, they are building products, and many people they are saying that, okay, we should be having a marketing so that we can reach to the level of Solana and everything. But uh, by the end of this race, you will see that the the projects with the quality products will be the eventual winner of the long term game. So we see ICP in that way. Similarly, if we compare ourselves with like ICP vision, we are following their footsteps in a meme arena. So basically, we are trying to bring utility so that the people who are investing, say, in our token, they will see that okay, this token has some vision. There is a thought behind, and there's an end goal for them. It's not like okay, you one day will push and other day the money is gone and the developers have rug pulled and everything. So for us, there it's our passion. So and that's why we are putting all the efforts, because that see any project, if that is your passion, because by bringing this project we are exercising our knowledge and also we are gaining a lot of knowledge through it. And basically the idea of bringing automation, AI, utilities, real world NFTs, um, so 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 everything which is only possible if we have a project who has a vision and who has a solid team who likes to work selflessly and with passion. So that's the whole idea of our project, and that that is the essence of, I would say, any meme coin, or for that matter any other project, because um, there has to be a vision, and lo- obviously actually everybody here is mostly like they come for the money and to earn a money and invest and earn the money, but tell me the truth, like any meme coin. So if there's it's a famous person like Trump coin, I would say it's a very famous these days, yes, like a couple of days back. But what's the purpose of that coin? That is the pump and dump at a very high level, right? And that is not the way, to be honest, for crypto. So to have a healthy projects in a crypto world, we have to have utilities, because there's no that doesn't make any sense that if there is a project and which is not delivering anything, which does not have any vision, then what's the point of that project? It's just gambling then. So the whole idea of DogFi is that we are here with the purpose and we want to deliver, um, and uh, and I think our utilities will speak for ourselves, the way Definity thinks about ICP. So we are walking on the same footsteps. So let's see how things unfolds in near future.
Well, I to summarize what you've said, you need to have a long-term plan and some real utility for your coin. Yeah, that Trump coin is a high-level pump and dump, and that's why I put a video out saying there's no way I would buy that. And I like that with DogFi, you've got plans to, your X says meme to utility. It's so easy to launch a coin today, but what's hard is to make a long-term vision, and what's hardest is to turn it into real utility. So from what you said and looking at Definity, like you need to have some apps, you need to have something you can actually use the coin for and a reason to hold the coin. And on ICP, you can, make a coin into a real DAO governance token. So that that bigger vision and picture seems to need to be there before you launch a meme coin also. It's not really ideal to just come up with that after you launch it. Any other thoughts before we wrap up?
Yeah. So as you mentioned here, like when you're wrapping up, that see the so we have like the ideas. So we started as a meme coin. We'll start bringing our utilities, and tomorrow it can turn out from meme coin to a full-fledged project, and we can bring it into SNS DAO. So yeah, so the future is limitless, and we are passionate, and we are looking forward to build more utilities for this project. Thank you, Jerry.
Nice. So
Uh,
thank you for supporting me as a
Jerry,
creator.
I want to add one more thing. So in near future, we are planning to add additional utilities for enterprise or for businesses, B2B. It will be more focused to be B2B.
Excellent. There's not very many projects looking to do that on ICP. So thank you for helping us get an idea of how you can build a meme coin that survives and turn it into real utility and value over time instead of a rug pull or go to zero, whether it's a high level or a low level. It's amazing that you can do this today, that anyone can start a coin and then you can put some real utility to it in the future. So thanks for having this conversation.
Thank you, Jerry.
Awesome. Thank you, Jerry. Thanks for your time today.